Good afternoon, everybody. We are Height of the Flood, a sort of folky band from Derby.
So we mainly write songs about Derbyshire folk tales, but also we've got a couple of special Krampus songs for you today.
And this is the first of them.
Late December frost on the window pane, children dreaming of sweets and bright flames. In the hush of the midnight hour, a shadow stirred with clover roof power, call out his name in the dark of the wood. Krampus comes creeping if you've been no good. Chains on his wrists and bells on his hide. He'll teach you respect on a cold winter's night. Candles flicker in the smoke of a town. Stockings hang heavy, but joy tends to frown. For every bad word and cold-hearted deed, he knows all the stories, he's from old Greece. Call out his name in the dark of the woods. Krampus comes creeping if you've been no good. Chains on his wrists and bells on his hide. He'll teach you respect on a cold winter's night. Horned and hugging with eyes and the sprays, he prowls through the door till the first morning light. A level with cracks, but where the poor souls laugh in his face or they refuse control. Call out his name in the dark of the woods. Krampus comes creeping if you've been no good. Chains on his wrists and bells on his heart. He'll teach you respect on a cold winter's night. Our next song is about a monstrous beast that lives in Derby, and if anybody is aware of the story of the Derby Ram, this has been put to song form by us.
If you've been down to Derby town for a diddly party, you will see without a doubt a monster fed on hay. If you've been down to Derby town for a diddly party day, You'll not believe your eyes, no sir, no, never nay. There before you stands the ram, a giant fed on hay. A giant fed on hay. They say he's as big as an ass, bigger than that, say some. They say he spans an acre or two and his arms reach up to the sun. They say his wool is like a forest where you can get lost for days. They say his hooves can crush the church if he jumps and plays. Have you been down to Derby Town, probably far today? You will see without a doubt the monster fed on hay. Have you been down to Derby Town, probably far today? You'll not believe your eyes, no sir, no, never nay. There before you stands the ram, a giant fed on hay. A giant fed on hay. They say there's no earthly match for this majestic ram. They say if a youth jumps on his back, it turns him into a man. They say his tail reaches down to hell, right where the world began. They say his eyes are planet wide, conceal the Derby land. So if you've been down to Derby Town, for diddly far today, you will see without a doubt the monster fed on hay. If you've been down to Derby Town, for diddly far today, you'll not believe your eyes, no sir, no, never nay. There before you stands the ram, a giant fed on hay. A giant fed on hay. They say that it's time to say goodbye, the old town cheered and cried. They say the ram was dispatched by 40 men one night. They say the blood turned the rivers red the day the old ram died. They say they'll never see another ram so magnificent all their lives. So if you've been down to Derby Town for diddly party day, you will see without a doubt the monster fed on hay. If you've been down to Derby Town for diddly party day, you'll not believe your eyes, no sir, no, never nay. Therefore you stands the ram, a giant fed on hay. A giant fed on hay.
Our next song is a tale from the Derbyshire moors. So there is a standing circle there called the Nine Ladies, and the rumour has it that the Nine Ladies were once 9 dancing young maidens who had the misfortune to be dancing after midnight and therefore began to dance on the Sabbath day itself.
No.
And as would have it, the blasphemy meant that they were turned to stone. Come walk with me on Stanton Moor, beneath the midnight sky. 9 standing stones encircle by, the waters tangled by. Dance, oh dance, you ladies fair, but never pass the door. For those who break the Sabbath day are cursed to stand as stone. Stone, stone, are cursed to stand as stone. Nine maidens once were full of joy. They danced upon the heath. They paid no heed to Sabbath law, not to the priest's belief. Dance, oh dance, you ladies fair, but never pass the dawn. For those who break the Sabbath day are cursed to stand as stone. Stone, stone, are cursed to stand as stone. Headlock made the ladies wild,
she laid it fair, but never past the dawn. For those who brave the Sabbath day are cursed to stand at dawn. Storm, storm, are cursed to stand at dawn.
And still they say at midnight's call, when winds across no more, the nine step forth to dance again, before they turn to stone.
Dance, oh dance, you lady fair, but never past the dawn. For those who brave the Sabbath day are cursed to stand as dawn. Dawn,
Stone, are cursed to stand as stone. Thank you. We're having a little bit of feedback, so just have a little fiddle.
I've just given it a fiddle, I think it's okay.
Is that enough?
Yeah, I think it's fiddled enough. We'll see what happens.
Okay.
So this particular song is not based on a folk legend, it's just something I wrote. Stand on wood today, for you were born of shadow skin and raised in crooked song, born of spell and sorcery, born of something wrong. Oh, Billy was born of the tree gods, born of the forest tree, born by spell and star, above and crowned by the forest queen. The people cry, this child is wrong, the fire is in his eye, his tongue speaks in crooked words, his foot falls wander slide, and then swore the mayor of that town by oath and cruel design, that Billy should be brought to rope and nevermore to shine. Oh, Billy was born of the tree gods, born of the forest green, born by spell and star, above and round by the forest queen. Behind the scaffold, calm and still, the May Queen by his side, she trembled like the aspen leaf and could not dare decide. He bowed the head, he took the news, he spake no final breath. The boars they cracked the rope, it sang, and so he fell to death. Oh, Billy was born of the tree gods, born of the forest green, born by spell and star, above and crowned by the forest queen. Now woe betide the townsfolk there, and woe unto the men, for from that boy they burst about, caught him by the hair, it rent Billy found.
Okay, thank you. Our next song is another Derbyshire tale, and this is of a young lady who found out that her man had been cheating on her, and therefore she would have been a jilted bride. And so she took herself up to
Lover's Leap.
And flung herself off the top.
But then fate intervened. So this next track is a poem that was written by a poet called Charlotte Mew, published in 1912, about a young farmer who marries a young woman, and for reasons that aren't really delved into the poem, does not really take to marriage at all. It's called The Farmer's Bride. Summers since I chose a maid, too young maybe, but more's to do at harvest time than bide and woo. When us was wed, she turned afraid of love and me and all things human, like the shut of a winter's day. The smile went out, and 'twasn't a woman, more like a frightened little fae. One night in the fall, she ran away. How long the sheep have been, she said, should properly have been abed. But sure enough, she wasn't there, lying awake with her wide brown stare. So over 7 acre field and up along, we crossed the down, we chased her, running like a hare before our lanterns to church town, all in a shiver and a scare. We caught her, fetched her home at last, and turned the key upon her fast. She does the work about the house, as well as most, but like a mouse, happy enough to chat and play with birds and rabbits and such as they, so long as men folk keep away. Not near, her eyes beseech, when one of us comes within reach. The women say the beasts in stall look round like children at her call. I've hardly heard her speak at all. Shy as elaborate, swift as he, straight and slight as a young larch tree, sweet as the first wild violet she, to her wild self, but what to me? The short day shorten and the oaks are brown. The blue smoke rises in the low grey sky. One leaf in the still air falls slowly down. A magpie spotted feathers lie on the black earth spread white with rime. The berries redden up to Christmas time. What's Christmas time without there be some other in the house than we? Alone, poor maid, 'tis but a stare betwixt us. Oh my God, the down, the soft young down of her, the brown of her eyes, her hair, her hair.
Okay, this is the last song in our set, and this is another one written especially for the event, all about Krampus. We need plenty of bells for this one.
No whistles, though, thank you. I'm ready. Down the valley, through the snow, here comes Krampus.
Might start that one again. Ooh. Right, hopefully that won't scream at us this time. Let's try it again.
You know that's the sound of children screaming in Krampus's sack, that is.
Fair enough.
And well they might. Are we ready? Down the valley, through the snow, here comes Krampus, ho ho ho. Leather straps and shaggy fur, rattle clatter, brr brr brr. Krampus with your switchy stick, whack me once and do it quick. Hey, hey, honey, hey, honey, hey. Krampus come to take me away. Cloven hooves go stomp, stomp, stomp. Swing that sack, it smells of damp. Jingle chains and fiery eyes. Children scatter, run and hide. Krampus with your switchy stick. Whack me once and do it quick. Hey, hey, honey, hey, honey, hey. Krampus come to take me away. Mothers weep and fathers shout. Better get in bed or I'll find you out. Up the chimney, down the stairs. Krampus knows you're everywhere. Krampus with your switchy stick. Whack me once and do it quick. Hey, hey, honey, hey, honey, honey, hey. Krampus come to take me away. Hey, honey, 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 Gnash those teeth and crack that whip, hoist that naughty chartreuse whip. Hey, nonny, 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 here's old Krampus, now he's gone.
Thank you very much.
Thank you very much. We've been High to the Flood, and
That's the end of our set. Thank you.
Thank you very much.